We're in Alexandria Bay, New York. That's the River Edge Resort. It's almost 80 degrees today. In April, I think they probably broke temperature records today. There's one of Uncle Sam Boat Tours boats. Of course, Boat Castle behind that boat. Did something very bad today. I got the drone out and flew it over the Boat Castle and back, and I'm supposed to. Might be fish down there. Sometimes you can see them. Feels like a nice summer day. A lot of tourists out today, which that's a good thing. This is where you buy your tickets to go on the boat tours or the Boat Castle. That's an expensive place to stay at River Edge Resort. There's Main Street in Alexandria Bay, New York. Summertime, this place be packed. Yeah, here's the ticket booth right here. Then you got the access for social distancing when it was in the summertime. And there's another one of the Uncle Sam Boat Tours boats. And then down there is where you go on your shuttle to go over to Boat Castle. April 10th, and you can see the flowers are already blooming. Mosquitoes out too. Uncle Sam Boat Tours, see? Their van. And I'll go show you where I snuck the drone today. Yeah, there's more of the social distancing markers. This is a motel. Of course, not open, it's off season. Pool. Thought I heard somebody in their outhouse. Wasn't people at River Edge Resort, this would be not perfect drone time. Right down here. Bug just flew in my eye. Yep, this is where I was standing right here. I had my drone out. There we go. Here's where I had my drone. This is the front of the River Edge Resort. That front of it, that's where rich people get their rooms. Bonnie Castle Resort. They get good food there, but it's pretty expensive. Yeah, people up in the balcony. Good thing they weren't there earlier. And then there was a cop around Alexandria Bay, but flew the drone and I got the hell out of here. Over and out until the next one.